Hello everyone, this is Ronnie Gunther, and I'm going to be talking about my first vocabulary strategy that I found. So the name of the strategy is the synonym substitution vocabulary strategy. And this strategy is super simple. Basically, the students are finding words that they think are difficult. They may not exactly know what it is, and they are finding the definition, checking the definition in a dictionary to make sure that it's absolutely 100% they know what it means, and then they're going to substitute that word with a synonym. So basically, whenever they're reading a story, if they're not exactly sure what a word means, they're defining what the word means, they're finding other words that can replace it, and then for further comprehension skills, the teacher would have the student sort of do all of this either maybe on a graphic organizer. I did it on Poplet just because it was super fun and fast. And so the student is also going to do an illustration, or depending on whatever the teacher prefers, they could even act it out and sort of like describe it with the class, so that way other students are also involved with the discovery of other words from other students. And then they're going to create an analogy for it. So evaluate is equal to analyzing. And I think that this strategy is simple, but I also think that it goes beyond just looking at the word and knowing the word. It's also knowing what other words mean basically the same thing and can be replaced, so that way when they see words similar to evaluate, such as estimate or assess, or if someone's checking something out, they know what is going on because they learned the word evaluate and because they learned these synonyms. Just knowing the definitions, being able to draw it out, act it out, and all that kind of stuff, and then be able to create an analogy that they will be able to remember, I think is super important, and that's why I chose this strategy. Thank you.